When patients are recovering from a surgery or injury, physical therapist assistants, PTAs, provide supportive care that promote healing. PTAs work under the supervision of physical therapists and serve people of all ages in hospitals, rehab facilities, nursing facilities, and health and wellness centers.
So it wasn't just the textbook information and knowledge, it was also the clinical settings from whether it was outpatient, inpatient. Those stories from real life settings and real life patients help to, put things in perspective and make things a little bit more real.
PTAs focus on improving physical health, including musculoskeletal, neurological, integumentary, cardiovascular, respiratory, pelvic, and abdominal recovery. They're caring and supportive professionals who assist physical therapists in implementing treatment programs according to a plan of care.
I just knew that I really wanted to be hands-on in helping patients and other people just recover and go back to living their best and highest quality of life.
They also train patients, conduct treatments, and relay patient progress. If helping others regain strength motivates you, an associate's degree from South University can start your path to becoming a physical therapist assistant.
I always knew that I could do more and to help people, and I knew that South would give me an opportunity to wake up every morning and do something that I would be passionate about.
You'll have the opportunity to gain the interpersonal skills needed to communicate and connect with patients. And after graduation, you'll be able to pursue entry-level positions that can make a true difference in patients' lives. Contact us today to learn more. South University does not promise or guarantee employment.